Hello Dragonfly fans, Dwayne here. So I just finished this up today. This is it's not really a man cave, it's a man garage, we call it. So this was our initial drawing that we did. And you can see the cabinetry, the countertop. We did add pegboard. Customer wanted pegboard the whole way across. And then we decided to remove two of these 36-inch cabinets right here. So this is the finished result. I'm going to turn the lights off. I think that'll help the camera. So you can see we added power strips, and he does a lot of cycling. So a lot of his equipment is now being powered by USB. So we added a power strip with USB. You can see that down there. The under cabinet lights are on 3 separate switches. So there's one here. And then you can also see we added this really long power strip. This is his workspace. Sometimes he works on his bikes here. So we added the power strips there. A lot of pegboard. He liked pegboard. Here's some of his equipment, his jigs that he uses for his bicycles. So there they are. This guy competes in Ironmans, which is pretty amazing. And so this will be his little work area. And then you can also see we took wire racking. I don't know if you can see it here right now or not. We took wire racking and we actually flipped it upside down. And there you go. So you see the little lip. This normally would be at the front and at the bottom. So it would come this way and then down. But we reversed it because he has cycling tires that he wanted to put in there. And we felt by doing it that way, he can utilize the space above. This is about 30 inches that you're looking at right here that he can now utilize. And we marked all the studs as part of our process. So all the studs are marked. And he asked me to let the tape up there for the studs because he puts his cycling tires in certain bags and then is going to store them up top. So it'll be able to lean them back against the wall, and with the lip not coming down but going up, it'll keep the tires from shifting out and falling over. So that's it. It's a pretty cool little man space there. We added all the cabinets and we built everything up off the floor with pressure-treated plywood or pressure-treated 2x4s for a couple of reasons. One is if this is your workspace, usually about 42 inches is about right to keep you from bending over and straining your back. So that's about what this is. This is like 40, turned out to be like 41. We tried to match it up here as best we could with his existing bench, and we even leveled the bench. You can see we added this gentleman recently moved, and so the garage floor is out, so we added some shims to level the bench. Let's see, yeah, so we built this up with pressure treated 2x4s, and then we added some plywood stripping underneath just to make it look a little nicer, and then we did multiple coats of polyurethane on the plywood countertop, and that way if you're using any sort of lubricant or oils, should those items spill, you can easily clean them up without them sinking in and making everything look nasty. So yeah, so there you have it, from conceptual drawing to finished product. So give you a little more look here. I think it turned out pretty cool. I think he's really going to like the lights. They're very helpful. So these little LED under cabinet strip lighting, it's pretty amazing stuff. It's so flat, and you can see we mounted it right here on the edge. I added some white wood stripping underneath, right on the very edge of the cabinet. Yeah, you can see it flush, and then we just added that stripping around the bottom, and they just throw in a tremendous amount of light. So very, they're very cool. Great for a project like this. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.